Why is Butoh very slow? Very slow in their movements. Why? You always see this. Well, there are many reasons for this. But Butoh does not have to be slow. Butoh plays with time, as Tatsumi Hijikata even stated. It plays with time. It can be rather quick. It can go from slow to fast. It can use stillness, going from stillness to fast. Playing around with rhythm. Playing around with breaking of the rhythm. For instance, the timing of a butterfly. It is not like a 5, 6, 7, 8, like a modern dance teacher might instruct students. It has its own time. Nature has its own time. And so, also, in Butoh, we like to play with time. So not only slow, sometimes fast, sometimes impulses, all sorts of things. Throw it all in there. So Butoh plays a lot with this timing. Not all slow, but slow is a very good way to feel the body. A very, very nice way. Just like Tai Chi is also a slow art, and it has its reasons, because you are feeling your breath, you are feeling all the different parts of your body. And you are being present to the moment. It helps you with being present to the moment. You could say it is meditative. You are entering into a different state of mind, different brain patterns. When you slow it down.